Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add like a shadow to your videos on CapCut mobile. So first you're actually going to add a canvas just so you can see the shadow later. So go to canvas and either select a color or a background. I'm just going to choose the simple white color. Then I'm going to select the picture, and then I'm going to select cutout, and I'm going to select remove background. Select cutout stroke, and you are just going to select the offset one. Here you can adjust the shadow where you want it to go, and you can choose the colors here as well. I suggest you using a gray one to create this effect, and that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!